Hi everyone, here in this video we are going to talk about how to configure Direct Print PRO model after installation. After pushing model to your repository, it should be available in the application, so we're going there, we need to find our model, here it is, and we're starting from clicking on Activate button. On the first step we will see just informational message related to our model, so we're going further, and here we need to start from the print and subscription because this is required for the correct work of our model. So we can click on subscribe. It will redirect us to the print.ventor.tech, where first of all we need to create our own account and log in. And after that we need to purchase the plan. It can be early or monthly, and also depending on how many prints you're planning to print per year or per month. So you're purchasing the subscription, then you navigate into the profile, and you will be able to use the API key. So we are going to the next step. We are copying the value of API key and moving to the next step. On the next step, we need to download client application on our computer because this is also one of the main requirements for the correct work of our model, because we need to receive printing request from the print server and send it to our printer. So we are choosing client application for our operational system on our computer, downloading, installing. It's pretty simple and fast, so I will skip this step, and then we will be able to open our client application. This is how it looks like. Also, to log in the client application, we need to use credentials, which we can find in the profile. Here it is. So username and password. I'm also copying it. Login and running the client application, and here we are. So here we have some different tabs like accounts, printers, scales, settings, logs, and about. For now, for us most interesting is printers and scales, because here we can see the list of all devices connected to our computer, which later we will be able to import into our Odoo. So let's go to the next step. We are installing, running, going further, and here we need to activate our model. To do it, we simply need to activate two checkboxes. Enable Direct Print for company and set up the printer for the company, and do the same for the user. Enable Direct Print for user and default printer for the user. And going to the last step. So now the model is active. If it's necessary, we can try to print. We can set a test page on the printer that we just set up, and close this wizard. So now we can see the icon of our model. We can see that the model is activated. If it's necessary, we can go to our model and see the extended configuration, which allow us to set up different report settings, different user settings. We have ability to automate printing with the use of already existing print scenarios, or set up flexible action buttons, which allow you to specify automate printing for different models and methods. If we'll go to the settings, we can also see ability to automate printing of shipping labels, set up security printers, and many other options. So that's all for today. We hope the Direct Print PRO model will become a helpful and time-saving tool for your business. Thank you.